Yes, let's say good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday. It is week 3 for our class. So now, please, let's start with me in Unit 3. Yeah, Unit 3 in Chapter 3. Yeah, the Unit 1, Unit 2 that we studied yesterday. Unit 1 talk about the environmental pollution. Unit 2 more about pollution, and Unit 3 here environmental pollution control. Yeah, please go together. Content. In this unit, there are 7 points of content. Number 1, what is environment pollution? Number 2, air pollution control. And number 3, water pollution control. Number 4, land pollution control. Number 5, waste disposal control. And number 6, solutions to problems of soil erosion. And number 7, the last one is deforestation control. So now is the first session of the first session today. I will finish unit 3. Yep. Point number 1. What is environment pollution? The environmental pollution is one of the most serious problems facing mankind and threatening our very survival. Again, environmental pollution is one of the most serious problems facing mankind and threatening our very survival. Mankind here, it means the human race. Yep. I mean the problem facing with the human, with the people. Yeah. And survival, our very survival, it means survival, it means the act or fact of surviving. One more, environmental pollution is defined as the contamination of the physical and biological components of the earth or atmosphere system to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected. Yeah, the word contamination. The word contamination here, it means is the making something by polluting or poisoning. Yeah, poisoning of the physical and biological component. The word instant, yeah, you see the word instant, say an instant that not more environmental process. Instant here, it means the area covered by something, yeah, the area covered by something. Adversely here, it means harmful, affected, yeah, harmful, yeah, the word harmfully, yeah, adversely, harmfully, it means dangerously affected. Number 2, talk about air pollution control. Air pollution control is the technique employed to reuse or eliminate the emission into the atmosphere of substances that can harm the environment or human health. The word employ here, I mean a person having a pet job, or you can say technique employ. Yeah, technique employ means technique made to use to reuse. Yeah. Eliminate mean remove or get rid of. Yeah, or eliminate I mean or remove or get rid of the mission. Yeah, the mission here means the production and discharge of something. Yeah. Air pollution control, it means the technique made to reuse or remove the production and discharge of something. Yeah, one more point, the control of air pollution. The control of air pollution is one of the principal areas of pollution control, along with wastewater treatment, solid waste management, and hazardous waste management. Yeah, in here along with there are 3: wastewater treatment, solid waste management, and hazardous waste management. This is the control of air pollution. But what wastewater treatment, it means protection of the bad water. Where wastewater treatment, it means protection, protect the bad water. Solid waste management, it means how to manage hard thing. And hazard waste management, it means manage unsafe rubbish. Yeah, or you can say hazardous, risky, dangerous rubbish. Yeah, risky. Yeah, risky. Very dangerous for the rubbish. Number 3, water pollution control. Control of water pollution requires appropriate infrastructure and management plans. The infrastructure may include, yeah, wastewater treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, and industrial wastewater treatment plants are usually required to protect water bodies from untreated wastewater. Yeah, please go to get look together. The word infrastructure. Infrastructure is the basic physical and organizational. Yeah, it require appropriate. It mean appropriate the properly. Yeah, infrastructure mean properly the basic physical and organizational and management plans. Sorry. And one more infrastructure. It means structure and facility. Yeah, like example, building, road, or power supply. Yeah, power supply here. One more the word untreated. Yeah, where is the word untreated? Please go together. Here, untreated sewage treatment plants and industrial wastewater treatment plant are usually required. Usually uh, required to protect water body from untreated. Untreated means not preserved. Yeah, not preserve or not improve. Not improve as wastewater. Number 3, continue number 3. Yeah, here at the moment. So now move to agricultural wastewater. Yeah, at the moment we talk about infrastructure, but now we talk about in agricultural wastewater treatment for farm. Yeah, agricultural wastewater for farm. It means the farmer have to treat or have to protect the wastewater for their agricultural. And erosion. Yeah, erosion control at the construction site. Erosion means the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agent. It means the erosion control at the construction. Mean all the civil engineer have to control the erosion at their site. Can also help prevent water pollution. Nature-based solution. Yeah, nature-based solution, it means solve or prevent based on nature. Yeah, another approach to prevent water pollution. Yeah, these 3 points, yeah, are the control of water pollution: agricultural wastewater treatment for farms, erosion control at construction site, and nature-based solution. This is a picture of agricultural wastewater treatment for farm. Yeah, you see all the farmers in here. And erosion control at construction site. This is construction for all civil engineer works there. Move to number 4, land pollution. Yeah. At the moment we talk about the air pollution control, water pollution control, but now we move to land pollution control. Land pollution control. Land pollution is a great concern for many parts of the world. The earth surface is contaminated by industrial waste, soil pollution caused by pesticide, and decomposable waste such as glass, cloth, plastic, paper, and metal. Land pollution again. Land pollution is a great concern. Yeah, great concern means which issue is a worried for many parts of the world. Yeah, land pollution is a great concern, is a which issue or is a which worried for many parts of the world. The earth surface is contaminated by industrial waste. Yeah, by industrial waste from the industry. Soil pollution caused by pesticide. Yeah, pesticide are the substances that are meant to control pests, including weeds. And decomposable here means separate into component or basic element. Yeah, waste such as glass. Yeah, decomposable means separate into component or basic elements such as glass, cloth, plastic, paper, and metal. These is the main causes, yeah, to make the land pollution. One more point: the land pollution control. The control of land pollution is necessary in order to save the earth from degradation. There are many things in each individual can do to prevent this from happening. The word degradation, degradation, the condition or process of degrading or being degraded. Yeah, in Khmer you can say it. The meaning of in Khmer means the control of land pollution is necessary in order to save. Yeah, in order to save, it's very important. Very important to save. In very necessary in order to save the earth from degradation. Yeah, right. There are many things each individual can do to prevent this from happening. Yeah, there are many things. Yeah, there are many kinds. There are many things each individual to prevent the land pollution. Number 5, waste disposal control. Waste disposal control, the definition of disposal of waste: proper deposition, proper deposition of a discarded or discharged material in accordance with local environmental guidelines or laws. Again, definition of disposal of waste: proper disposition of a discarded or discharged material in accordance with local environmental guidelines or laws. The word disposal means the action or process. Disposal I mean the action or process of getting rid of something. The word getting rid of, it means throwing away. Throwing away. The word disposal, I mean the action or process of getting rid of something. Or you can say distribution. Disposal, I mean distribution. The word disposition, the word disposition means arrangement, or you can say the way in which something is placed or arranged. The way in which something is placed or arranged improperly. Of discarded. Discarded means throw away the rubbish. Throw away the rubbish. Or discharge. The same meaning. Discharge, remove or get rid of material. In accordance with local environment guidelines or laws. This is the picture of disposal of waste. Disposal of waste. I mean, all the people always get rid of the rubbish or remove or throw away the rubbish like this. For the business dictionary, water waste disposal control, it means waste management is the collection, transport, processing, recycling, or disposal and monitoring of waste material. In this picture, I mean recycle every day. For the bottle, we have to put the water. You can put every day, and then you should don't throw it away. I mean, for the bottle, when you drink the water already, you can keep it to put the water for the other day, right? You can use it every day by clean it up. You can clean it and then put the water every day. This is called recycle every day. Transport here, collection, transport, I mean take or carry, processing, recycling, the action or process of converting waste into reusable material. In this example, in the picture, the bottle is the reusable material. It's the reusable material. Monitoring of waste material. Monitoring, I mean observe or check the progress. Monitoring is the observing or checking the progress of quality. Number 6, solution to problems of soil erosion. Soil erosion is another serious aspect of environment pollution. Soil erosion is another serious aspect. Another serious, I mean another you can what you can say. Another serious, I mean very I can say big problem aspect, right? Big problem. Or you can big issue of environment pollution. The word is erosion. Erosion means breaking or falling apart into small fragments. Generally speaking, soil erosion is caused either by rain and running water. By rain and running water, washing away the exposed topsoil or by wind blowing away the unconsolidated loose soil. The word exposed. Okay, what exposed here? Exposed topsoil means not covered or hidden. Not covered or not hidden. Yeah, washing away the exposed, not covered or hidden, or you can say unprotected. Yeah, unprotected. I mean, by running water washing away, you cannot unprotected. It is unprotected. Or by wind blowing away, like the word unconsolidated, unconsolidated, not consolidated. The word consolidated means strengthen or secure. Yes, secure or strengthen. Yes, strengthen. One more point. Solution to problem of soil erosion. Sound farming practice. Yes, sound farming practice always give priority to the care of soil and do not just aim to maximize crop yield for the greatest gain. Yeah, the word priority here, priority right way, yeah, the right of way, always give the right way to the care of soil and do not just aim to maximize crop yield. Produce the crop very high, yeah, for the greatest gain. Greatest gain, I mean greatest economic. Yeah, greatest economic, I mean good economy for their farming. Yeah. Number 7, deforestation control. Yeah, when you see the deforestation, you can see this picture. Yeah, all the trees were cut down. Yeah, were cut down. What is deforestation? Deforestation clearance or clearing is the removal of a forest. Yeah, I mean deforestation. I mean remove is the removal of the forest. Yeah, is the getting rid of the forest. Yeah, you can say like that. Is the getting of the forest or is the removal of the forest? Deforestation, the action of clearing. Yeah, the action of clearing a wide area of the tree. Yeah, I mean here you can see the picture. Deforestation is the action of clearing a wide area of trees. And one more example of deforestation and include conversion of forest land to farm, ranches, or urban use. Conversion, example, deforestation, I mean the action of clearing a wide area of trees to convert, yeah, conversion to the process of changing, yeah, the process of changing forest land, yeah, forest land to farm, yeah, forest land for to farm for the farmer to feed the animal or to feed animal or plant the trees, yeah, something like that. And one more, conversion of ranches. Ranches in farming. Yeah, farming is a large farm to feed animal or urban use. Yeah, when we conversion of urban use, I mean use for the city or town. Use for the city or town. When they cut all the tree, I mean they have to expand, yeah, the town or the city and ranches to expand their a large area for or to feed the animal, something like that. Number 7, one more point. Deforestation control of deforestation. Reforestation, yeah, the control of deforestation. You have to look this word. Reforestation. Many countries in the world have started reforestation and forestry. Yeah, reforestation and reforestry. Reforestation, I mean the process of replanting. Yeah, replanting an area with trees. I mean they start. Yeah, they start they start to reforestation. They start to reforest forestry. I mean the process of replanting an area with trees and the science or practice of planting and caring the forest. Yeah, when the country have the deforestation, and then now many countries in the world have started reforestation and forestry. I mean replanting the trees. And as Asian nations are leading in this regard. Many as Asian countries, including China, yeah, like China, have successfully managed to reverse deforestation. I mean, in the China, they are they have successfully managed to reverse. Reverse move backward to replanting the tree. Yeah, after they have deforestation, but now in China they have to reverse deforestation, or you can say they have to reverse the replanting the trees. If you can manage the improper water, it can affect to deforestation. Control deforestation, water management, improper water management affect deforestation in a big way. Yeah, if you cannot manage the improper water, it can affect to deforestation. So now for my presentation, yeah, it is finished now. It finished. When if you have any question for this unit 3 in chapter 3, yeah, question and answer, I have to show you in the textbook on page 76 until 84. Yeah, you please open the book on page 76, unit 3, environmental pollution control until 84. Yeah, if you have any question, please drop your question in Google Classroom. Yeah, bye bye everyone. Thanks for your paying attention.